now it's ticking. Okay guys, so now we have another package for Mr. E90, and this is the radiator I was waiting for. So yeah, basically that's it. Got a, let me see, the radiator using guide. So do this. Anything else? Nope. This thing. So let me go ahead and try to put this thing back together. Okay guys, so I want to show you guys under back here. So as you can see, there's nothing damaged, nothing's bent down here. This is pretty straight. This seems to be okay. So all this took all the hard hit right here, where it's bent, sunk in right here. So that's okay. Good thing everything back here is okay. So I'm gonna try to put this thing on in here. So let me get all this water out though. There's a lot of water everywhere because of the rain, but let me dry that thing out. Okay, so we're almost there. Like these hose, and then put the radiator support. So do this. Okay guys, so it's dark again. That's all I could do today. I might put the radiator support, all that cross bar that goes right there. So, or maybe not tomorrow. It's supposed to rain all day tomorrow, but I'm gonna put that fender back on and put the bumper support. I need to buy this little hose thing, pipe that goes right here. You can't see it, but oh well. The rear quarter panel is practically done. Let me close the door. So it's useless guys, I can't really see, but it's okay. I'll keep on going I'll continue working on it tomorrow. I'm gonna have to wait another 12 hours, I guess, for it to be tomorrow, but you guys will see it in a couple seconds. See you guys in a bit. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another day. As you can see, it's raining again. It's raining softly, but still, this is the type of rain that gets people wet. So I'm gonna see what I can do. Maybe put you guys on the tripod. Okay guys, we got this side, this fender done. So we're gonna go ahead and do the other side, this one now. So I'm gonna put you guys on the tripod. Okay guys, so it's getting dark again, and this is what I've done so far. That fender's already in place. I got the new radiator installed. I got this fender on, so I got the bumper reinforcement in. I put some fluid in that water for the radiator so I could start it. The battery is dead, so it's not gonna start. I'm gonna jump start it and let it running for a while. That way it could charge the battery up a bit. So yeah, I'm just gonna let it running for a while now. So that's basically pretty much it. The next thing to do is the bumper. I'm gonna fix this bumper. The only damage that I see to the bumper, besides all this that you guys can see, the only problem I see is this. See, that's the only problem I see. You guys see all this? I could easily fix this. This is what I see in this stuff. And basically it's just the side that took the hit. That's what they ripped this thing off. It ripped off, but I'm gonna see if I can find a way to reuse it. I mean, the rest of it is, it's okay. So there it is. So yeah guys, let me try and see if I could get the car started. Okay guys, so I'm jump starting it with the 750. So let's give it a try guys. I can't get this thing to focus. And now it's ticking. Probably because it's cold. I don't know if it didn't tick before. I don't know if you guys could hear it. I don't know if you guys could hear me, but you could hear the car ticking, tick, 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 and I didn't do that before. So it's got oil. I don't know, maybe because it's cold. If any of you guys have an e90, or if I've dealt with cars like this, what do you guys think that ticking is? Okay, sounds like it's going away. Still there. Let me remove the cables. See, there's no more ticking. The ticking went away. I just shut the car off, I restarted it, and no more ticking. I'm pretty sure that if I turn the car off right now and restart it again, there might be some ticking. I did check the codes and it was telling me something about the the coil number 3, cylinder 3, so I replaced that with this one. So but it continued ticking. Like I said, the coil, it needs new coil. So but that didn't fix the ticking. The ticking continued to like 30 minutes for 30 minutes to like a minute ago that I turned the car off again and I turned it on and there's no more ticking. So let me know what you guys think might be. I really have no idea. I'm gonna continue looking more into that to see what it could be, but I mean, hey, your comments are always helpful. I could probably start hearing the ticking again. I don't know if you guys could hear it slowly starting to appear, but it wasn't sounding like that earlier. So let me know what you guys think, guys.